Today is March 31st, 2012. Jack eating ice cream.
That's so cool. You want some more? Would Lila, I'm sorry. Do you want some? Here you go.
Oh, you just want to be on camera?
Do you want some? Okay, Jack's turn. You're so funny. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Here it comes.
Silly goose.
Can you get me some ice cream?
When you eat your dinner, they eat all their dinner. Oh, it's so cold, I know. Lila, do you want some? Do you want more?
No, I don't want any more. Okay? I don't want any more ice cream.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. That's okay. Do you want some more? Too cold? Too cold? Okay. Here you go. So funny. Ready? Here it comes.
That's so funny! You
Lila,
You
Lila.
belly tickle.
Say bye-bye, Lila.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.